everybody, and welcome back to the channel. If you see a little person back here, it is my baby child doing some college work, putting that grind in to get those credits. Anyways, on today's video, we are unboxing our ice cream beauty box for September. If you hear the noises, that is the husband. Welcome to mom life. And then we are also unboxing the ice cream beauty bag. This is for September also. Both of these are monthly and you don't have to get both. I didn't realize you were like right there. I thought you were at the sink. Anyways, we're going to be unboxing these. We've also, big shout out, because if you guys saw my OFRA unboxing, they came out with a mystery box. You guys, it's literally $43.20 filled with an amazing amount of goodies, like over $222 worth of goodies. Highly recommend checking it out. Use code HOTMESS in order to get that mystery box for $43 and change. It is a heck of a good deal. Also, shout out to Built Bar. They sent over some of their brand new collagen protein bars and salted caramel. Code HOTMESS will save you, I think, 10% over there. Shout out to Ice Cream Beauty Box for sending over the bag and box for the month of September. Greatly appreciate it. And of course, say it with me. What's the code that's going to save you money on your first month's subscription? You guessed it, Hot Mess. Alright, so let's go in with unboxing the bag. Now, this, honestly, it's like $12 and I think 50 cents or $12. And this bag has been really good in my opinion. So you do get a little card here. This is the September Ice Cream Beauty bag, and then it does have a little list of the items on here. And I love the little puppuccinos on here. All right, first we've got a lash stack. It's like a palette. We've got it's in like a plastic kind of component. Shimmer About You 12 universal eyeshadow shades. Oh, okay. Literally right off the top of my head, does this not remind you of the Urban Decay, was it called the Moon Dust palette? Like back in the day. Isn't that pretty? Let's do a little swatcheroony. It's all shimmers, but these are pretty like accent. Ooh. Okay, I don't know why I even went into the blue. It's not like I'm ballsy enough to wear blue, but these are really pretty. I mean, honestly, if you have the Unconditional palette right here, and then you use like Coffee Strong and the outer corner Fam Bam, and then top it with one of these shimmers, how pretty would that be? And I mean, they're not like overpowering shimmers. I mean, they're not bad whatsoever, but if you put these on a brush, spritz a little of your makeup setting spray on there, I bet you it would have a really good payoff. And it's just like a nice little added pop of color, extra shimmer. So not bad. And just for reference, retail value of this Lash Step Shimmer About You palette, $22. You done made your money back, friends. All right, next in here by ZC. This is freaking adorable, just the box alone, which we've been seeing a lot of them in our ice cream beauty boxes, and they're really adorable. Like, all of their little makeup is so fun. It's like that, what's that called? I almost said Anne Frank, but that's not right, because that's like a history. Is it called, what's that called? Lisa Frank, right? Oh my gosh, look at that one. I gotta swatch it. What is that? It doesn't blur together either. Ooh, it's like a really pretty like silvery gold. No, that's literally not gold. The compact is a rose gold. That is more of like gray silver. Ooh, iridescent-y. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is so fun. That's cute. And it's cute, little travel friendly. How precious is this little compact? Like this alone, I love that. Okay, retail value of this is $20. So yeah, you've definitely made your money. Next in here, oh cool, we've got a little makeup brush. And this has a retail value of Cheeky Rose Beauty Point Brush, $15. I don't know, guys, I just think it's really good. And then last but not least is by Illuminati Cosmetics, lip gloss. And as far as the shade, Ultra Cream. But it's a pretty like pinky color, which completely matches both palettes. Honestly, I I think that this bag totally worth the money. Last month I felt like the box was a better deal, but I mean the month prior to that I thought the bag was better. So let's go ahead and jump into the box, which again, this is also a monthly subscription. You don't have to get both. This is $25. Oh, look how nice the card is. And then on the back is the products in here, a little information about each product as well as the retail value. And I'm pretty sure this was sent in PR, so I'm not 100%, so don't quote me on this, but I'm pretty sure you do kind of get to customize the palette in here some months. So the first thing that is sticking out here is the Pout Perfect Liquid Lipstick by Ace Beauté in Ambition. And this has a retail value. This has a retail value of $18. Oh, look at that. That's fun. Oh, I thought you were watching up here in the corner, but you're not. You're looking at your computer. This reminds me of, is it Louis Vuitton? Isn't it so fancy looking? Not my color, so I will be gifting it, so I'm not going to open it and swatch it or nothing. These colors accentuate my love of coffee, and that is not the journey I'm on in life, so I will put that aside. I mean, that would look fancy getting to pull that out of your person. Next in here we have a Delancey multi-chrome eyeshadow palette. Now this does have a retail value of $22. And if I forgot to tell you guys, which I probably did, this box has a retail value of $25 unless you use my coupon code, which is not, it's not an affiliate code. This instantly reminded me of Pat McGrath, right? I have the Pat McGrath quad that this is similar to. This is really pretty. All right, let's, oh, that feels nice. Oh, you guys can't tell. It probably looks white, but I promise it's like shifty to like gold. That's shifty, like brown, burgundy, green. Okay, that's just a blue. And then this one, is this a shifty? Oh yeah, shifts like green, purples. So that is honestly very pretty, and like I said, it so reminds me of a Pat McGrath. That is pretty. This one, this color is not showing up too much, but I'm sure it builds up fine. The other ones are swatching great. That's really nice. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay. All right, next in here we have the ZC Paint Color Bright eyeliner, and this has $24 retail value, and it is a champagne gold twist eyeliner with a sharpener. Okay, so I kind of really like the component here. It's a little on the weighted side. Oh, I don't know honestly what well, you know what, I wonder if I could use this in the waterline. That's honestly really pretty. Or like in the inner corner highlight, that could be nice. All right, and then next in here we have by Illuminati Cosmetics, one of their like lip glosses, and this is a retail value of $20. It's a clear lip gloss by Illuminati Cosmetics with some gold glitter, so that's gonna totally match everything so far. And then with every single palette from Eyescream Beauty Box subscription, or wait, let me reword that. Every Eyescream Beauty Box subscription, the $25 box, always has a palette in it. Like, no matter what, you're gonna get a palette in this box. So I always tell you guys, if you are looking for a very much makeup heavy subscription, Eyescream Beauty Box is where it's at. This is by Moon Slice Beauty. Ooh, this is perfect for the fall. Look at that color story. That is so pretty. You've got matte, you've got shimmers. I mean, it's not really a true swatch because I've already got other stuff on my hands, but the shimmers are feeling nice. Ooh, okay, the mattes feel nice as well. I mean, I know swatches don't tell the story, you guys, but I don't think this is gonna be bad. Worth trying. So that is everything in the Eyescream Beauty bag in the Eyescream Beauty box. And like I said, I think this is a really good subscription. As far as which one is a better deal, I mean, I don't know. I think for September, I think it's gonna be a little hard to choose because I think they're both really good. And like I always say, I really feel like Eyescream Beauty Box puts thought into their creation or coordinating everything in their bag and box. it's not like a thrown together kind of thing. This one I don't think I can pick. I think they're both good. I think either one that you choose, if you choose one over the other, I think you're gonna enjoy them. Let me know your guys' thoughts down below. Are you gonna be picking this up? I will say shipping was quick. I've just been sitting on it, and that's on me because I had other stuff I'm trying to get done before I go out of town for the Creators and Friends event. So I'm sorry for the delay, Ice Cream Beauty Box. Thank you so much for sending this over and thinking of your girl. I greatly appreciate it. If you guys want to pick out one or the other, code HOTMESS should save you that 10% off your first order. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. I will have it linked down below for y'all. But that's it, guys. That's all for today's video. Check me out on my other channels. Stay tuned for some Creators and Friends content, I'm sure. I don't know what future Rhonda will do, but stay tuned. Anyways, friends, until next time, as always, all information will be down in my description box. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at hotmessmomma4. My other channel is Hotmess Momma Vlogs. And until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. I'm gonna film another one because I got my P. Louise box. I've been sitting on that one too. Oh yeah, and don't forget to check out the mystery box from OFRA Cosmetics. Code HOTMESS for everything. Okay. Bye. I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this.